Whenever you're ready, yes or no.
Timer starts.
Yeah.
When I was little, I used to be a shy child. But because of my gender identity, people treated me differently. But when I learned to believe in myself, I became the woman that I wanted to be. And right now, I am one step closer to my dream, which is the ES brand. And I think that true leadership with sacrifices is to believe in themselves and letting go of people who don't believe in them. So right now, I want to inspire others that whatever you're been through, as long as you believe.
Thank you very much. Whenever you're ready.
Timer starts.
Yeah. Naniniwala po ako na kaya kong isakripisyo ay ang pagiging isang volunteer na walang hinihingi kapalit. Always remember na meron tayong mga katangian ng pagiging leader. May leader na nakikinig, may leader na gumagawa, at may mga leader lang din na sumusunod. And naniniwala ako na kapag leader, walang pinipili. Kahit anong ibigay sa'yo, magagawa mo. Kahit anong ipagawa sa'yo, magagawa mo. Bakit? Kahit leader ka, tao ka pa din. Kahit leader ka, kaya mong kontrolin ang mga taong nasa paligid mo. Pero hindi mo sila pwedeng utos-utusan. Bagkus sa future, they will be a leader too. Thank you.
Alright? Are you ready? Timer
You have 40 seconds.
starts now.
I believe that using this platform also required leadership. Yes, in the questions that we read and we heard, sacrifice is very important. But one thing that I can sacrifice is my name, Aldrin Aliacuna, and also the opportunity that I have right now. Because once a yes is always a yes. A true leader fight for the right of the people, fight for the right of the community. And I know one thing for sure, if I will not be crowned for tonight, I will continue this sacrifice as a leader. Because like what I mentioned earlier,
Okay. Timer starts now.
Kung ako po ay may tatanggalin para maging isang mabuting leader sa isang komunidad, yun po ay yung paghahanap ng mas sobra pa sa sapat na. Naniniwala po ako na sa society natin, marami tayong mga bagay na hinahanap. Akala natin yun ang makapagpapuna sa atin. Hindi natin mas nabibigyan ng atensyon or ng halaga yung mga bagay na meron na tayo. Kasi naniniwala po ako na kapag naghahanap pa tayo ng something na mas sobra pa sa meron na tayo, doon po pumapasok ang pagiging greedy, ang pagiging corrupted. And sa panahon ngayon, guys, naniniwala ako na sa...
Alright, the question is, many believe true leadership requires sacrifice. What is one thing you would be willing to give up to become a great leader? Are you ready? Timer starts now.
Good evening. If I would be a leader, what is one thing that I would be willing to give up, and that is my desire for myself. Because as a true leader, you should sacrifice yourself for the sake of the people that surrounds you. The good leader will always take care of the people that he or the netizens that he surrounds, so that the people would survive in the society, so that we can create a society where negativity and hatred cannot foster, regardless of what happened to you. As a true leader, remember what always Mahatma Gandhi always once said: the change that you want to see in this world should solemnly start within you. Thank you very much.